What's going on, guys? Welcome back to part two of the fashion blog website project. And before I do start, I want to say if you're not subscribed, I do recommend subscribing. But without further ado, let's get right into it. Um, Today, we're gonna complete this project and ultimately put it out. And here we are on task 11. Now, a lot of you guys were asking what essentially what the get hint, um, what this does essentially. And I'm gonna try it out on task 11, but after we understand it, and then we'll do it. So we'll say Issa wants her readers to know that she's written a lot more than one post. Let's make a list of some of the related blog posts. Beneath the last paragraph, add a h4 tag that says related content. Underneath the header, create an unordered list. Okay, that's easy. So basically a h4 tag that's titled this, and then you have an unordered list. So before we do this, we would put it right here, but let's see the hint. So the hint is like this: based on your code, you have successfully done all this, blah, blah, blah. You need to add a h4 tag. Okay, so that's essentially what it does, and that you can essentially get another hint for it, and you can also say, to complete task 11, you need to add blah, 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 blah. This is essentially an AI-powered response. That's all it is, really. And let's just do it real quick so that we can. And we did lose connection here, but we'll be gaining it back. And we'll go here. And we'll go ahead and put down paragraph, not paragraph, sorry, h4, and then closing h4, and then in between this we'll simply just put related content. Perfect. Now we also need to create a unordered list, I believe. Yep, unordered list. So how you do that is you can simply put a ul and then a /ul right there for the closing, and then in between you can have a bunch of li tags and the closing li tags, which hold the lists essentially. And we will simply just do this. We'll put 3, we're done. Now an unordered list should have the following 4 items. Okay, so we can simply just take this, copy, paste, copy, paste, copy, paste, copy, paste. There you go, we're done. And if you go down here, there you go. What a play. Now, let's get Lisa's blog connected to the rest of the web. In the first paragraph, turn NYFW into a link and have it go to this, New York Fashion Week. Okay. So make sure to include a target/blank so that it does open a new tab. Now, where do we place it? That's the thing. Hold on, what? That's so odd. So image, okay, yeah, so let's go, okay, in the first paragraph, right here, turn this into a link. Okay. So essentially this word right here, turn it into a link. So we can simply just put it inside of an anchor tag and we should be good. So let me just put it inside of an anchor tag, and we can do source equal this, and then we can do target equals score blank, and that didn't work. So we messed up somewhere. Oh, let me go ahead and see where we messed up. So let's go ahead and get a hint. It says here, in your code, you've currently added the link to the, however, this is a small error. You have a close look at the source. Is there another attribute you could use? Oh, it's not source. It's href. It's a hyperreference. My bad. It's gonna be a hyperreference. Okay. Next, we have Lisa wants to make sure that her friends can get in touch with her. At the bottom of your body, add a new div and set it equal to ID equals contact. Inside the div, create a new paragraph tag and put the following information. Okay, so at the bottom of your body, so right here, you want div. You want that div. There you go. And then you want the ID equals contact, and then simply just put a paragraph in there. P, perfect. And then we can just simply just go ahead and get all this done, and voila. Yeah. Huh. Oh. Okay, I see what the issue might be. Let me see. Huh. It's so strange. I'm not sure why this is doing this. That's actually strange. And why there's the red dots. I'm not sure, but anyways, that's gonna do it. And if we go here to the site, we have all the information, and then we can do, now inside the contact div, put a strong opening and closing tags around email and phone and address. So we can put strong here. Strong. So instead of just typing it out more and more, we simply just do this. Address. There you go. There you go. And it's all bolded now. Okay, next, let's make a profile picture. Let's make the profile picture a link to the contact section of the web page. Now find the image tag and surround it by opening and closing. Okay, so find the image tag. Okay, so the profile picture is here, and then we can make it surrounded by an A, closing A, right here. Okay, opening and closing A, then we can simply set the href equals, and we can simply set it to hashtag contact. go to contact right there. Okay, done. And the final thing, congrats, you've got the beginnings of a solid fashion blog. Feel free to make modifications and practice your HTML by adding more content. So there you go, you made it past the finishing line. If you're done, be sure to check off all of the tasks for this project. Perfect. And that's gonna end it right there. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one, and have a great day.